Hello students, today we are going to learn 10th Geometry, chapter 1st, Similarity. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Observe two figures. Triangle ABC and triangle PQ are given, and AD is height of triangle ABC and PS is height of triangle PQR. Then we can write the ratio of area of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to 1 half into base into height. That means 1 half into BC into AD upon 1 half into QR into PS. Okay, because BC and QR are bases of triangle ABC and PQR respectively. Also, AD and PS are height of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. So here let us write the base of triangle as B1 and height of first triangle is H1, and base of another triangle PQR as B2 and height of that triangle is H2. Then we can write down the ratio of their areas as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. We have to study two conditions. First condition is if height of both triangles are equal. Now let us observe the figure of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here height of first triangle is H1, height of second triangle is H2, but here note that H1 is equal to H2, that means height are same. And B1 is the base of first triangle, B2 is the base of second triangle. Then we can write down the ratio of their areas as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to 1 half base into height. That means 1 half BC into AD upon 1 half into QR into PS. So here ratio of their areas become B1 upon B2, because here note that height of both triangles are same. That means H1 is equal to H2, so they get cancelled out. 1 half also get cancelled, so remaining only B1 upon B2. So we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to B1 upon B2 if H1 is equal to H2. Now let us study the condition 2. If bases of both triangles are equal, then so first observe the figure. In triangle ABC, base is given B1 and height is given H1, and in second triangle PQR, base is B2 and height is H2. Here note that both base B1 and B2 both are same, that means B1 is equal to B2. Now we have to write the ratio of their areas. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to, we know that 1 half base into height. So 1 half BC into AD upon 1 half QR into PS. So ratio of their areas become H1 upon H2, because 1 half get cancelled and B1 and B2 both are same, so they get cancelled. So remaining only the ratio of their heights, that means that is equal to H1 upon. Now let us solve another example. Here one activity is given. M is a midpoint of segment AB and seg CM is a median of triangle ABC. Now observe the triangle ABC. Here M is a midpoint of seg AB. So here we know that seg AM is congruent to seg BM. Okay. Now as we know that how to write the ratio of areas of the triangles. Okay, so area of triangle AMC upon area of triangle BMC equal to base into height. That means base of first triangle is AM into CM upon BM into CM. Okay, that means here we know that AM is equal to BM and height is same, so CM get cancelled and remaining only AM upon BM, but AM and BM both are same, so they also get cancelled. So ratio remains only 1 upon 1, that is equal to 1. So ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 1. Then we can say that area of triangle AMC equal to area of triangle BMC. That means here we can say that if height and base of both triangles is same, then their areas also same. Follow practice set. Example first. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of this triangle. First let us write down the given things. Here let base of triangle ABC equal to B1 equal to 9 and base of another triangle PQR B2 equal to 10. Also, height of triangle ABC equal to H1 equal to 5 and height of another triangle PQR equal to H2 equal to 6. Now let us find the ratio of areas of this triangle. As we know that the formula of ratio of area of two triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to base into height. That means B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now only putting by values we will get 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. By simplifying we will get 3 by 4. That means the ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to 3 by 4. Let us take another example. In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC equal to 4, AD equal to 8. Then find ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Here look at the figure. AB is a base of both triangles. That means base is the same. And height of first triangle is given BC equal to 4. Height of second triangle equal to AD equal to 8. As we know that if base of both triangle is same, then we can write the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their respective heights. So we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to BC upon AD. So by putting values we get 4 upon 8 equal to 1/2. Okay. Now let us take the third example. In adjoint figure, sec PS is perpendicular to sec RQ. Sec QT is perpendicular to sec PR and RQ equal to 6, PS equal to 6, PR equal to 12. Then find value of QT. As we know that the area of triangle PQR equal to 1/2 base into height. Now look at the triangle PQR. Take RQ as a base and a perpendicular height as a PS. So we can write 1/2 into QR into PS. By putting values we get 1/2 into 6 into 6. So we get 18 square unit. So here area of triangle PQR equal to 18 square unit. Now again take area of triangle PQR, but this time we are taking the base as PR and height as QT. So we can write by formula 1/2 base into height, that is 1/2 base means PR and height means QT. So 1/2 PR into QT. So by putting values 1/2 into 12 into QT. So that is equal to 6 into QT. And we just solve that area of triangle PQR equal to 18. So substitute this value of area, we get 18 equal to 6 into QT. So QT equal to 18 divided by 6. So QT